Welcome back to Rob's Builds.
Well, welcome back, guys. Today we're going to be building something special. We haven't uploaded in a while because we got some big projects in the works. This is one of them. The first edition UCS Millennium Falcon. I own number 634 of 1000. Stay tuned for behind the scenes throughout this video. And let's get started. Well, it's been about 2 hours. We got about half the frame done, so it's looking pretty good so far. A little technical, which if you take your time, follow the right instructions, you'll probably get it done all right. And I guess we'll pick this up tomorrow. So see you later. Oh, welcome to build day number 2. Well, in day 1, we started the frame. We got at least this far. So today in build day number 2, we're gonna continue the frame and also the bottom half. And hopefully, maybe we might get to the wings. All right, so let's get started. Welcome back, guys, to day number 3 of the build, where we're still working on the base. Once we're done the base, we're gonna do the legs next. So let's get started. welcome back, guys. Today's build day number 4. Today we're going to finish off the frame, and then we're going to move on to putting the panels afterwards, and so let's get started. Well, welcome back, guys. Today is build day number 6, and we're going to finish off the panels. So with that, let's get started. Well, there you have it, folks. The finished product, the 2007 UCS Millennium Falcon. As you can see, it's pretty big, and the reflector dish can turn 360 degrees, and it also has some cannons here, which move up and down, left to right, and it's the same thing on the bottom. Well, I hope you enjoyed this little video, and don't forget to subscribe. Let me know what you think, and I'll catch you later.